Hiya, I'm the RC Hunter, and today we're at Wortley in Leeds, United Kingdom, up in our little park, and thank you to Gearbest, Leah, for sending me this little drone. It's a foldable one, if you can see, called the TX116 Fatality. So just a quick overview on it. Right then, first of all, what's in the baggie? We get spare props, prop guards. We also get a screwdriver and some little screws. We also get a USB charger, because the battery's proprietary, and the manual, which is okay, tells you, you know, what it does and how to do it in broken English. It's not too bad. The TX is awesome, really is nice and slim. Phone, crocodile clip style, I love these. They're so much better. To trim it, is you press that button down and it's a directional trim. When you want to set the gyro, calibrate the gyro, when you don't normally, because you struggle to see lights, when it's calibrated, it vibrates for you. So yeah, that's calibrated, which is awesome. This is foldable, so it's undo it. As so. You've got your power button at the top, you've got a 720p HD camera, and as you can see, you get like a lens cover, which covers the camera, which is pretty cool. The battery's proprietary. There we go. It's a 3.7 volt 1300 milliamp, and it's ticked there. To charge it, it's a micro USB charger. Plug it in, and away you go. Good idea, that is. So, and that's about it on it. There's not much really else to talk about. Let's get her up and get her flying, see how she performs, and see what the picture's like on video, and I'll catch you all later. Ciao for now.
Just hold her steady, I'll do a walk around when you bring it back down. That's rain, snow. She looks nice.
Control.
Drop her, you're gonna lose her. Drop her.
What?
Turn it off. You've got to fly away.
Yeah.
It's gone. That's off the macro. You got batteries in controller?
Yeah.
She's gone. Has it got return to home on? Well, what can you say about that?
As you saw, for some reason she got up and she flew away. Absolutely no control on the TX. I'm going to put this in, so sorry, but I can't recommend this drone because this is the very first time we flew her and she flew off.
She's gone.
She's gone. So
she's gone shopping to macro.
I'm sorry, but I can't recommend this drone. And that travelled about a mile told my uncle who watched it on camera. I hope the camera picks it up because it just took off. Absolutely no control at all. So that she got up to about 20 foot, it lost signal. So, yeah, it's all fun though. It's all fun and games. Thanks for watching. Ciao for now.